Hi, my name is Rebecca Carrier. I'm a counselor at Cienega High School, and I work very hard on our PBIS team. I'm going to talk today about the Masonic Model Student Assistant Program and how nicely it integrates with a school that uses school-wide PBIS. So the Masonic Model, at our school it's called the Student Solutions Team, is an intervention that's designed to assist students who are displaying negative behaviors on campus. We have a team that meets weekly to discuss specific students. Teachers compile information about the specific behaviors that they're observing in their classroom, but not only that, they also give us information about the positive assets or behaviors that they see in the student. It's those positive assets or behaviors that allow us to be able to come up with some positive interventions to help that student. So, for example, if a student is very talkative in class, disruptive and disrespectful towards the teacher, but does really well in an elective, say photography, then we can connect that student with that photography teacher and maybe have them as an adult mentor, meet with the student weekly, talk to them about their lives, make those connections that, as we all know, are very integral into a student's behavior and academic success on campus. These SSTs that we have, we use them for all of our Tier 2 and Tier 3 interventions. So at our school, that's as soon as a student gets a third referral, they automatically get referred to the Student Solutions team to come up with some positive interventions to help them. Training on the Masonic model is a 3-day process, and a lot of the process is identifying the positive behaviors, expectations that already exist on your campus and what that looks like. The team is comprised of the referring teacher, a student advocate, a timekeeper, and several other adult staff, teachers, administrators, counselors on campus. And the way it works is it's a 20-minute process. It's exactly 20 minutes. And the person who is coordinating the team needs to get feedback not only from the referring teacher, but also from all of the students' teachers, the assistant principal, and the school nurse. So we get a full picture of what is going on in the child's life, not just their behavior, but their whole life. We speak to the parents, and then when it's time to show up to the meeting, it's 4 minutes to present what the situation is with the students. They don't get interrupted. And then the team gets 2 minutes to ask the teacher additional questions. And then there's brainstorming for interventions. And then finally, the teacher selects 2 specific positive interventions that can be implemented beginning immediately. And everybody has specific time to speak. There, like I said before, there's a timekeeper, and nobody interrupts anyone for any reason. So if the team is coming up with specific interventions, the teacher does not get to say, "I've already tried that." And there is a space on the referral form that does certainly include interventions already tried. So the outcome of the meeting is we come up with a minimum of 2 interventions that the teacher can start using right away. Those interventions are also sent out to the rest of the teachers. Oftentimes, depending on the certain students, there might be other parties involved, and long-term goals are set. And it is the team's responsibility to set aside meeting time, maybe every 6 weeks, to review current plans and make sure everyone's doing what they're doing. And then eventually a student can graduate from the plan. So that's always very exciting.